friends, today I will teach you cursive A to Z. So let's start. Wait! Please like and subscribe, and if you love this video, please share it with your family and friends. So let's write cursive A. First we will write cursive A like this. Oops. It's looking too small and too cute. First, make it big first. Like this. Big and big, big and big. Looking good? Next, cursive B. Cursive B. Oh, it's flying. Acceptable. Next is C. Cursive C. Next is cursive D. Cursive D. Now cursive E. Cursive F. Cursive G. Cursive H. Oops. Yeah. Cursive H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Oops, space is filled. So first let's recall and then rub it, then continue. Rub it, rubbing, 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 rubbing. Oop. Rain, choke, 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 choke. Now it's done. So where we were? We were on P. After P, Q. Q. Yeah. Q. R. Oh, it's like a baby of R. Make it big. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Oops. Y and Z. Bye guys.